The wire on the right is from the main board, from the circuit board. And the guy's gonna put that in, and then it goes here, and then it goes to a 4 outlet, another 4 outlet. Then it goes down to the stove outlet. That stove outlet is then connected up to the fan for the thing above the stove. And then you see also from this box here, down here, it then connects back to the next 4-way. So just sort of making sure that, and then that 4-way, of course, would connect down the line. Just want to make sure I'm wiring it correct. I'm an electrician, but I'm trying to save money and do as much as I can, so he's just connecting the stuff. Anyway, let me know if that's the way it should be, pretty much. And that's just one of the 7 circuits I'm putting in. Bye.